Hello, my friends. In this video, we are going to set up the Firebase project and create a new project in order to add it to our application to send and receive the cloud messaging, FCM, Firebase Cloud Messaging. Okay, so I will create a new project in the console. So after you go to firebase.google.com, you log in and go to console. You create a new project and then enter the project name. I will name it as FCM app. And I will, you can't, have the project name. Let's start with a unique identifier. Continue. Now, continue. Select an account. I will select my account. Default account for Firebase. Create project and waiting for the project to be created. So Firebase Cloud Messaging is a cross-platform messaging solution that lets you reliably send messages and no cost. Using FCM, you can notify a client app that a new email or other data is available to sync. You can send notification messages to drive user to re-engage and retention. Okay, so we'll see in our application how we will make this work. Continue. It directs us to the FCM app project here. You can select the FCM and other projects. And I will select Android. So I will get the start by adding Firebase to your app, Android. Here I will add the package name, master coding .fcm app, FCM app, register application, download google.-services.json. This is the file. Now let's go to Android Studio and add this file to the app folder. So here I will go to Android Studio, click on New Project, Empty Activity, and I will select here at the name FCM app Java, and this is the package name exactly like that before, FCM app Java, and click on Finish. Waiting for Android Studio to configure the application. And I will show this file. And here is the file. I will cut it. And I will go to the project. I select project here. So let me show you again what I have done. Again, the project, select the project. I will go to here, application, and I will paste it in the folder called application. Okay, so I will click OK. And here we go. If you see that Android Studio the Firebase tells you inside Android Studio to put it in the project tab in the folder application. Okay, click on next. Then we will copy these dependencies. So what are these dependencies? First of all, we need at the project level build.gradle. I need to add the Google's Maven repository. So I will go to here. I will select again the Android, not the project. I will select the Gradle scripts and the project. Here are the plugins, the application and the library. So Android library. And here are the dependencies, the services 4.3.13 and all projects Google. Okay. Now, I will add then the plugin here, apply plugin application, which is here, and the plugin Google Play Services. So I will copy this, apply plugin, or the name of the plugin. Okay. I will put ID and then apply plugin to true. You can put it like this. You can sync now. I need to add these dependencies also. Or I can put like this. I will cut it. I will paste here the services. You can try again. Let me check again. And I will copy this implementation for BOM, base of Firebase messaging, and analytics. I will copy it. And these are the services. Here I need to put the plugin. So I need to add the class path. So I will copy this build script block. I will paste it inside the build.gradle. I will remove the dependencies, these points. I will click on sync now. Maybe the project is working fine. Okay. So, and here don't miss to apply the plugins. So according to documentations, I have added the build script here. And here I have applied the Google Play Services and the ID application. Okay. Then I have added the BOM, the Firebase analytics, and this is what we need to embed the Firebase application. Just another thing that I need to add its dependency is the work runtime and the messaging. Right? Later on, we will see it, but till now, follow me step by step in order to continue with our Firebase, and then we add the dependency of FCM. So till now, we have configured our application and linked it with our Android Studio project and Firebase. Okay, so we link Firebase with the Android Studio. Now we need to add the dependency of the Firebase messaging. So I will click on Engage. I select on Cloud Messaging, and it will direct me to the documentations. Okay, so I'll click on in-app application, in-app messaging, create your first campaign. You can send whatever you want, but how we configure the cloud messaging? There is a cloud messaging and in-app messaging. First, the target of our application is the cloud messaging. We send from the Firebase to the application. Okay, so how to use this functionality? We add here the Firebase Cloud FCM, Firebase Cloud Messaging, and we will start by implementation of com.google.firebase or 2 points column Firebase messaging -messaging. Okay, this is the Firebase messaging. So here you can select whatever you want. No need to specify the version because you are using the BOM. So I click on sync now and everything will work fine. Now I need to add the worker. So the worker is like a background executor that do jobs in the background and wait for any event or anything would happen suddenly, and you will be informed. And we use this worker because we are going to send messages from Firebase, and our application should be aware, should be in attention to any change. So this worker will do for us the job. We will start by implementation. By the way, we have used this worker in the previous videos inside the background services. Okay, so work dash runtime 2.7.1. Okay, so this is the worker. We click on sync now and everything will work fine. Okay. Now I will close these. One last thing I need to add is the user's permission and the internet. Okay. So this is our application. It's ready to start including our messaging features in Net. Okay, so let's start.